Viewers, the Mahagathbandhan finds itself at the center of a political controversy, and the flashpoint is a poster. Ahead of a joint press conference in Patna, posters have been put up featuring only RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, Rahul Gandhi, a key face of the Congress party in the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, was conspicuously missing from the frame. The BJP has seized this moment to mock the Grand Alliance, saying this is nothing short of a Mahabharat within the Mahagathbandhan. BJP spokespersons, in fact, have called it a complete rejection of Rahul Gandhi and his leadership yet again. And BJP netas claim that Tejasvi Yadav clearly wants to project himself as the CM face of the opposition bloc. Now, viewers, the RJD poster is also being seen as a signal of power shift within the alliance, with Tejasvi Yadav emerging as the dominant face in Bihar. Congress party, however, has downplayed the entire controversy. Sources claim there is no infighting and that the alliance remains united and strong and intact. But the optics are clear. A joint presser, but a solo poster. No Rahul Gandhi, no Congress, only Tejasvi Yadav. With Bihar polls around the corner, this controversy raises some sharp questions. Who really leads the Mahagathbandhan? Is the Congress party being reduced to a junior partner in Bihar? And can this alliance really project unity when the power struggle is playing out in the public? For the BJP, this is a big political opportunity. The party is mocking the opposition, calling it a divided house, even before the first vote is cast. Poster politics, viewers, has triggered a big political storm in Bihar. Now, will this be just a minor blow or the beginning of a major split within the Mahagathbandhan? That remains to be seen. The big questions are now out in the open. Listen in to this reaction from Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP.
ये गजब का गठबंधन है या गांठ बंधन है। जॉइंट पीसी हो रही है, तस्वीर केवल एक तेजस्वी की और बाकी जगह पे छोटे छोटे इमोजी लगा दिए हैं अलायंस पार्टनर के। मतलब कि राहुल जी की पिक्चर तक नहीं लगाई। कल तक तो पप्पू यादव जी कह रहे थे राहुल गांधी इज द फेस, राहुल गांधी इज द फेस। अब इस दबाव में आ गए कि राहुल गांधी को ही डिलीट कर दिया। वोट चोरी और टिकट चोरी तो बाद में की बात है, ये तो सम्मान चोरी हो गया कि जो कांग्रेस पार्टी कल तक आरजेडी का दमन करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, अब आरजेडी ने उनको उनकी जगह दिखा दी।
कैसा भद्दा मजाक गठबंधन के नाम पर हो रहा है। विधानसभा में कुल सीटों की संख्या 243, महागठबंधन के घटक दल के उम्मीदवार 255। ये अंगगणित तो तेजस्वी जी आप ही समझ सकते हैं कैसा ये महागठबंधन है। और आज के संवाददाता सम्मेलन में तस्वीर केवल आपकी, सवाल दरपेश यह है कि क्या 420 का आरोपी का ही फोटो रहेगा।
So viewers, you heard the reactions from the BJP as well as the JDU, both mocking the Mahagathbandhan. Now it seems Congress's vote chori charge, viewers, has backfired. It is Congress versus Congress, also out in the open in battleground Bihar. Ticket chor, Bihar chor is something that we are witnessing. And what we are seeing on your screens right now, viewers, are visuals of protest that is currently underway in Bihar. Ticket chor, Bihar chor. Now that's the charge that's coming in. It is the Congress leaders and MLAs who are staging a protest, who were denied ticket by the Congress leadership. And to decode this for our viewers, we have my colleagues joining us live right now. We have Arunil live with us from Patna. Mohit is live with us as well, and I'm also joined by Niyamika. Arunil, to you first. I mean, what's really happening? We have seen chori as the buzzword, something that was initiated by Rahul Gandhi, but now we are seeing posters saying ticket chor, Bihar chor. What's really happening there?
Well, certainly, yes. These taglines by these protesters, all Congress leaders, former MLAs as well, is again very ironic. It was Rahul Gandhi who had the tagline saying that vote chor, Bharat chor. And these Congress leaders, you can see the placards as well. It says ticket chor, Bihar chor, directly making an attack on Krishna Allavaru, saying that he has been appointed by Rahul Gandhi. We'll speak to Mr. Anand here, who's a senior Congress leader. What is your allegation, Mr. Anand? We've been saying that. Why are you saying ticket chor, and is there any money allegation by you as well, money selling and buying?
In fact, Krishna Allavaru has worked here like an agent, and agent and agencies, they don't have the political wisdom. He has come here to destroy the Congress. He has sold the ticket. You can see Mr. Gajanan Sahi. Gajanan Sahi has got, last time he has been defeated, he is an ex-MLA, by just 113 votes. Then what is the parameter if you are not giving a ticket to Mr. Gajanan Sahi, who has lost to vote 113 only, and you have given the ticket of a person who has got a 33,000, who has lost his election by 33,000 votes. There has to be some. Mr. Banti Chaudhary and Sudhir Kumar, he is also an ex-MLA.
So you were part of Rahul Gandhi's vote chor yatra. Now, why do you have to hold a placard saying ticket chor, Bihar chor? Are you also directly making?
We want to save Congress here. So we want the immediate removal of Krishna Allavaru and his team from Bihar. Some political person should come and he should take the charge as an in charge of Bihar. Mr. President is also fighting an election. Mr. Rajesh Ram and CLP leader, they are fighting the election. They should concentrate on their election.
Also leveling graft charges against Krishna Allavaru, also saying that Rahul Gandhi has appointed him. So how do you look at these dynamics?
I have given you the key of this house. If you burn this house, then who is the responsible? Rahul is responsible, or you are responsible. We need to understand that Rahul Gandhi cannot do everything at his own. He has appointed many people at many places. But this person is been motivated by something else. There is some force which
विधायक बंटी जी भी है. आप कैसे देखते हो पूरे सिचुएशन को? टिकट चोर, बिहार चोर, इसका नारा अभी आप लगा रहे हैं.
यस, हम लोग के हाथ में देखिए टिकट चोर, बिहार चोर और कांग्रेस को बकस दो. जिस तरह से कांग्रेसियों के साथ अन्याय हुआ है, जिस तरह से कार्यकर्ताओं का हक अधिकार का हनन हुआ है, हम लोग आवाज उठा रहे हैं कि जिसके द्वारा ये कार्य हुआ है, ये कुकृत्य हुए हैं, उनको हटाया जाए.
बट आप भी राहुल गांधी की यात्रा में थे जिसमें वो वोट चोरी की बात कर रहे थे. अभी टिकट चोर बुला रहे हो आप खुद के पार्टी के लोगों को ही, जिनको राहुल गांधी ने अपॉइंट किया.
राहुल गांधी ने तो एक विश्वास और भरोसा के साथ भेजा था बिहार में कि वो काम करेंगे, कार्यकर्ताओं का हक अधिकार की रक्षा करेंगे, पर वो तो यहाँ पे दलाली करने लगे और वैसे लोगों को टिकट दिया गया जो दूसरे दल का है. तो राहुल गांधी ये कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते हैं. उन्होंने कहा था कि स्लीपर सेल बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाएगा, वैसे लोगों को बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जाए जो कांग्रेस में है और बीजेपी का काम करते हैं. और अब तो कांग्रेस में नहीं होके भी बीजेपी से लाके उनको टिकट दिया जा रहा है. तो राहुल गांधी कैसे ये बर्दाश्त करेंगे?
आप कांग्रेस के एक सीनियर नेता हो. आज भी
these Congress leaders who are holding this particular protest as to, does it not reflect on the leadership of Rahul Gandhi? All of them that you've spoken to so far, Arunil, have said that Rahul Gandhi appointed certain people to look at the election process, ticket distribution, etc., but they're not doing their job properly. So shouldn't he take action against such people? Why is he allowing it to happen? And where is Rahul Gandhi? Shouldn't they be asking these questions too?
Well, that's what their demand is, Hina. They've been asking Rahul Gandhi to take action against Krishna Allavaru. Now, one question to you, sir, like where exactly is Rahul Gandhi? That is also a big point of question that the opposition precisely is asking. Today as well, a joint PC of Mahagathbandhan is organized. Rahul Gandhi's pictures cannot be seen anywhere. Do you feel that you have been completely...
That's what I am repeating again and again. The person who is the in charge of Bihar Congress, he does not have the political vision. If a political person should be there, he should have a different view altogether. I am telling you, they are against Rahul Gandhi. They are against the Rahul Gandhi's dream. So Krishna Allavaru is a person who is you can call him a sleeper cell of
तेजस्वी यादव को फ्री हैंड दिया गया, ऐसा लगता है आपको? उनकी पार्टी को फ्री हैंड दिया गया और कांग्रेस को पूरी तरह से साइडलाइन किया गया. जैसे हम पोस्टर्स भी देख रहे हैं, सिर्फ तेजस्वी यादव के दिख रहे हैं.
ये देखिए ऊपर की बातें हैं. अब तेजस्वी यादव का पोस्टर क्यों दिया गया? क्योंकि तेजस्वी यादव के नेतृत्व में चुनाव हो थोड़ा, इसलिए उनके पोस्टर में फोटो है। तो ये तो यही चीज तो देखना है।
राहुल गांधी का नेतृत्व कहाँ दिखता है? अभी तो आप भी तो
यही चीज तो गलत, यही कृष्णा लबरू गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं ना। गड़बड़ी यही हो रही है कि जब घोषणा करना था तब किए नहीं, आज उनके जाके माथा टेक रहे हैं। कल गहलोत जी आए और वो दोनों क्यों वहां गए? चाहते तो कहीं अलग मीटिंग कर सकते थे। तो यहाँ पे कहना है कि गुड़ खाया गुलगुल्ला से परहेज करे, और ये सारा मैंने खंडन करना, ये सारा काम तो अल्लाह से पूछा जाए ना कि वो ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं।
आप लोग राहुल गांधी के लीडरशिप पे भी क्वेश्चन मार्क उठाते हो क्या? उस पे भी
हम लोगों को कहीं भी कोई शक सुनवा नहीं है। हम लोग राहुल गांधी के सिपाही हैं। राहुल गांधी
वो खुद अपॉइंट करते हैं, उनको आप उनके अगेंस्ट आप करप्शन के चार्ज लगा रहे हैं।
हाँ, क्योंकि गलत करते हैं ना, मेरे पास सबूत है। वो तो कितने को हटाए भी है ना, तो उनका काम है, वो हम लोगों के नेता हैं, वो काम करने के लिए किसी न किसी को तो।
ask these Congress netas who are protesting, shouldn't he be present with these netas if they are so upset and angry? Shouldn't he be with them, talking to them, listening to their grievances? But unfortunately, he's nowhere to be seen.
With me is also just former MLA Mr. Sai. How do you, आप कैसे देखते हो कि आप लोग यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हो, बिहार में चुनाव लड़ रहे हो, बट राहुल गांधी कहाँ है? अगर आप लोग को अपनी जो बातें रखनी भी है, आपको मीडिया के थ्रू रखनी पड़ रही है, राहुल गांधी से क्यों नहीं आप बता सकते हो कि क्या गलत हो रहा है बिहार में, बिहार कांग्रेस के साथ?
बिहार से दिल्ली काफी दूर है और वहाँ इतने लोग जाके अपनी जो हम लोगों के दिल में पीड़ा है वो राहुल जी के पास एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हैं इन कम समय में, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ।
आप एक वरिष्ठ नेता है, विधायक भी, पूर्व विधायक भी है, आप ये बोल रहे हो कि यहाँ पर सीधा सीधा टिकट चोरी हो रही है?
बिल्कुल टिकट, मैं 113 वोट से हारा हूँ, या हरा दिया, मैं 113 वोट से हारा हूँ, और जो 30,000 वोट से आ रहा है उसे टिकट मिला है, जो 10,000 से वोट से आ रहा है उसको टिकट मिला है।
कितने पैसों में आपको लगता है कि ये टिकट बांटे गए?
ये तो जो लिया और दिया वो वही कर सकता है, हम कैसे कहें?
See, Hina, on the other side as well, there are party workers who have gathered here with the same kind of banner. We'll speak to this Congress leader as well. How do you look at this entire situation that has developed? Rahul Gandhi cannot be seen on the ground in Bihar. Yes, he had that vote chor yatra, but now Congress leaders themselves are saying ticket chor, Bihar chor.
There is a saying from the Rahul Gandhi. He always says that the Congress has been destroyed not by the outsiders but within the Congress. That is the whole issue here. The Congress, Rahul Gandhi is working hard, but he has given several times this statement that Congress has been.
Why all Congress leaders generally give a benefit of doubt to Rahul Gandhi that he is working hard, but all the decisions he has taken, right? The person has been appointed by him only, and you are leveling extremely serious charges of corruption.
Yes. I mean, that's why, Rahul Gandhi will not come down to Bihar and look after the small things. He has to see the whole Congress party of the whole India, He has given responsibility. Now the responsibility of in charge, he gives full credit, full responsibility, full power to in charge.
बिहार को भी पॉलिटिकल कैपिटल माना जाता है। बिहार का इलेक्शन अभी होने वाला है। ये साहब बोल रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी को पूरा भारत संभालना है, बट आपको लगता नहीं कि अभी यहाँ पर चुनावी युद्ध है तो यहाँ पर उन्हें रहना चाहिए था और सबको देखना चाहिए था, सब कुछ संभालना चाहिए था ग्राउंड से?
नहीं, ये तो उनके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन बिहार इलेक्शन में वो कैंपेन करने जरूर आएंगे, लेकिन राहुल जी पूरे भारतवर्ष को देखेंगे, एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेट पर। मान लीजिए आप पे हम विश्वास कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, आप हमारे साथ हैं, आप जो भी हम आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया है, आप जो भी करेंगे।
तो अगर मैंने पैसे खाए तो ये आपकी लीडरशिप पे क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है?
एकदम नहीं आएगा। आप अगर चोर है तो थोड़ी, बाप अगर ईमानदार है, बेटा चोर हो तो बाप पर तो नहीं आएगा कोई एलिगेशन
पे भी क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं आएगा?
नहीं आएगा, जो चोरी की है उनके ऊपर।
आप क्या कहना, आपको कुछ कहना था? बैठ के बात बोलिए।
हम लोग यही कहना चाहते हैं सर, मैं यूथ कांग्रेस चलाया बिहार में, प्रदेश सेवा दल हमने चलाया, हम लोग 30 साल से अपनी जवानी, अपना खून और पसीना बहाया इस कांग्रेस के लिए, और उसके बावजूद टिकट कांग्रेस नहीं दे पाई। कोई बात नहीं है, हम लोग काम करते हैं, समर्पित लोग हैं। हमारे हमारे राहुल जी हमारे नेता हैं, उन्होंने पसीना बहाया बिहार में आके, कांग्रेस लगी कि खड़ी हो जाएगी। उसके बावजूद हमारे सीनियर लीडर जो कि बिहार को जानते नहीं है, भौगोलिक जो बिहार को जानते हैं उनको प्रभारी नहीं बनाया जाता है, और जो बिहार को नहीं जानते हैं उनको प्रभारी बना के भेज दिया जाता है।
ये डिसीजन किसका है जो कर रहे हैं?
ये डिसीजन ऊपर से होता है, यही सिस्टम गड़बड़।
कौन है
जी? ऊपर आला कमान है, कई लोग हैं, केवल एक राहुल जी पर इसका नहीं लेते हैं निर्णय। कई लोग हैं, वर्किंग CWC है, सब लोग हैं। बहुत उम्मीदें थी अल्लाह वरू जी से कि एक राहुल जी के बहुत करीबी हैं और अच्छा काम यहाँ करेंगे, बिहार में कांग्रेस खड़ी हो जाएगी, लेकिन हमारे नेता राहुल जी का पसीना बेकार गया है।
आप कैसे देखते हो? डू यू फील दैट Tejasvi Yadav has hijacked the Mahagathbandhan because at the joint PC as well, only his pictures can be seen everywhere?
ऐसा है कि तेजस्वी जी राहुल जी ने मिलके इस बिहार को एक नया बिहार बनाने की कोशिश किया था।
Right.
जो इन लोग जो हमारे सो कॉल्ड लीडर्स जो दिल्ली से अपॉइंट हुए हैं उन्हें इसे गारक में मिला दिया।
Here again we can see Hina, a kind of a benefit of doubt has been extended by these disgruntled Congress leaders as well, former MLAs, saying that इसमें राहुल गांधी की गलती नहीं है, उन्होंने जिनको अपॉइंट किया, the man who was appointed by him, he has indulged in massive corruption. I
think those are some very interesting and shocking views that we heard from people within the Congress party only, clearly giving Rahul Gandhi a benefit of doubt. If he has selected wrong people for Bihar, for managing ticket distribution and, you know, looking at other aspects, then he should not really be blamed. Now, this is the view coming in from the netas of the Congress party who are protesting in Patna. Those are the visuals, viewers, that we've got for you from Patna's Congress office. Arunil, request you to stay on with us. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika as well. Niyamika, it was Rahul Gandhi only who gave the slogan, Vote Chor, Gaddi Chor. Now what we are witnessing is slogans in Patna Congress office, which are about ticket chori, ticket chor, Bihar chor. Is Rahul Gandhi getting the taste of his own medicine?
Well, it is a huge embarrassment for the Congress party, the manner in which it is the Congress workers, the former MLAs and senior leaders of Bihar Congress are holding this protest at the same location where shortly from now there is going to be a joint press conference which is going to take place. As for that reason, we can see in the past as well that how there are several allegations which are being leveled against, not just against the in charge of Bihar Congress, but also against the PCC president, as well as recently an audio clip had also gone viral on social media where it was being made very clear that there are certain people within the Bihar Congress state unit only who are not satisfied with the manner in which ticket distribution has been done, and they are making this allegation that tickets have been sold to those people who have given a huge amount, they have paid for a huge amount for getting this kind of a ticket. In fact, if you remember, then it was the Lok Sabha MP of the Congress party, who is the senior leader of Bihar Congress, Tariq Anwar, who had also, tweeted the same. He had also raised a question that why Gajanan Shahi was not being given ticket in these assembly elections, despite of the fact that he had lost the last election with a very, minimal margin of votes. And for that reason, now many of the leaders are also not satisfied with the manner in which this entire process was being followed. They have also stated that there is no criteria, no particular criteria which is being followed by the Bihar Congress leaders, whether it is Krishna Alavaru or Rajesh Ram or Shakil Ahmed Khan. All of these allegations have been leveled against these people, but the question arises here is that why the High Command is absolutely silent over this. We have seen that these protests had erupted at the AICC headquarters as well when the CEC meeting had taken place. At that point in time also, certain people had raised slogans in front of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. But even after that also, we have seen that no action was being taken by the Congress High Command. The Congress party, instead of responding over the same, they are making allegations against the BJP.
Right.
They are saying that it is very much normal during the time when elections are coming in. There are several aspirants as well who wants tickets, but when they are not being given tickets, they make certain allegations against the Congress High Command. But that cannot be seen as a clarification, because it is, many of the evidence has also come out in open. There are audio clips, there are, certain people who are holding this protest. So it must be answered by the Congress High Command that why there is a complete silence over this entire issue.
Well, absolutely, and we'll wait and watch how the leaders, top leaders from the Congress party are going to respond to these very, very strong allegations. Niyamika, request you to stay on with us. Now, viewers, all of this has given a lot of ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party to target the Congress party this election season. So, on one hand, we are seeing Congress versus Congress in Bihar. On the other hand, we are seeing Rahul Gandhi's pictures missing from the posters ahead of this joint press briefing of the Mahagathbandhan. It's a joint press briefing, BJP says, with a solo picture of Tejasvi Yadav. Now remember, Tejasvi Yadav and Rahul Gandhi were together in Voter Adhikar Yatra. They were touring Bihar. Several other leaders from across India, the opposition leaders, joined them as well to rally support for the Mahagathbandhan. But now, as we are inching closer to the elections, in this joint press conference, in this supposed show of unity, Rahul Gandhi's pictures are missing, and that raises questions. Let's tell you the latest post, in fact, that has come from BJP's Shehzad Poorawala. And this is the post that has been put out here. He has put these two things only. One is the protest by Congress leaders, the Congress leaders that my colleague Arunil was talking to just now. Ticket chor, Bihar chor is the slogan there. So it's Congress versus Congress here. And on the other hand, the solo picture of Tejasvi Yadav ahead of the joint press conference of Mahagathbandhan. So Shehzad Poorawala says, so it's not just the Samman, respect chori that Congress is grappling with. Now, ticket chori allegations hit Congress, especially key team of Rahul Gandhi. Earlier, Congress MLA Afaq Alam said how tickets were being sold for cash. In RJD2, sitting MLA had made the same charge. And his hashtag is cash for ticket ghotala. So this is the scathing attack that we've got coming in from BJP Shehzad Poorawala. Let's go across to my colleague Mohit as well, who is live with us right now. Mohit, this is actually like, handing over, an opportunity to the Bharatiya Janata Party to target not just Congress, but the entire Mahagathbandhan that was supposed to remain united ahead of polls. It started well. But in their case, I don't think it's going to apply if it begins well, half of your work is done.
Yes, in fact, and as you rightly pointed out, it has given ammunition to the BJP to attack the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. And this is not the first time that such allegations have been leveled against the top leadership of the Congress party. We have seen that how earlier also Congress MLA made this start that tickets are for sale in Bihar. We saw that how RJD leader also came out and said that he was demanding 2.5 crore rupees from the top leadership, and he was not able to give that particular amount of money, and perhaps that is why he was not being given ticket, and high drama ensued outside the RJD office. So this is not the first time that this is happening, but then all the Congress leaders coming together, staging a dharna, holding placards and making direct allegations against Krishna Allavaru. This is something which is very serious in nature, because there have been allegations against Krishna Allavaru that he has been brought in from outside. He doesn't know the reality of Bihar. And the questions are now also being raised on Rahul Gandhi missing from the campaign. So
and we'll see how the opposition will respond to these very, very important questions. Thank you, Mohit, for your inputs on the story. We'll slip into a very, very short